Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang makikita nyo dito sa vlog ko? Ano pa ba? Yung kakaiba talaga no pag mag-vlog ka no at saka yung mga tao hindi sanay. Para kang pinagtatawanan ka, di ba? Good morning, everybody. John Elliott is the newscaster in CBS Channel 2 here in New York. He always like this. He always say this. Good morning, everybody. And I have my two dogs here, everybody. Roxy is like while I'm editing right here. Yung anak kong si Roxy, guys. Nilagay niya yung chin dito sa paa ko at ganito. Nanonood lang sa akin at saka ganito. And she give me a puppy eyes. That means she wanna labi-dabi. Roxy, where are you going? I thought you want to labi-dabi with me, baby. No? Do you wanna be with labi-dabi? With what do you want? You can go lie down on the couch. I know you're sleeping there every night. I know you sleep every night in the couch, on the couch. Hi, Mitiko. I won't give you bunsi if you eat your if you don't eat your dindin. You go eat your dindin and I will give you some bunsi. Yes, you hear the bunsi but you don't like the dindin part. He been trying to open it, guys. Can you hear it? Look, he's been trying to open it. He want dry food, but he just keep asking for dry food. That's not good, Bug. You've been doing that since you were a baby. You try to open the freaking thing. Oh, pretending I don't see you. What? You're acting up now? You think I don't see you? Oh, now you're pretending. You see a fly, I guess. Let's see. Let's see what it's doing. What are you saying? Oh, there is a fly. Fly, get in. Hi guys, kakain ako. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang makikita nyo dito sa vlog ko? Ano pa ba? Hindi kakain si MaryAnn. At saka pakitain ko kayo. Oh, ginoo ko. Yung chicken is the best. I have a gulay naman. Yung gulay ko is broccoli rub. I have broccoli rub pero I'm gonna have that for dinner. But you're a good girl. I will give you later after I eat. I do. After I eat. She's already leaking. Sarap talaga. She's already watching, guys. Oy, tignan na lang ninyo, guys. You want some? You want some? You wanna eat? Oh, you wanna eat? You want some? Okay guys, lobat na ako guys. Mamaya na lang guys, mag-enjoy muna ako dito. Decide to walk with them guys. Because I don't walk with them for a while na. Hi guys! Today is a Thanksgiving Day and you've seen this already. Yeah, but this video is late. I just insert this clip from, I think, last week's video. But anyway, this video I'm going to insert that Tam is picking the winner. And yeah, because I'm going to pick another winner. You seen it my video. If you've been watching my video guys, nakikita nyo naman that I plan to pick another winner sa giveaway ko. Galing kami sa Thanksgiving sa my sister-in-law ko. So yun, andito pa itatanggalin ko na tong makeup na to para matutulog na ako kasi puyat na puyat kami guys. Time check now, it's 11:33 ng gabi. And anyway, so yun lang guys. So pagkatapos pag uwi namin dito, I told Tammy that we were going to pick the winner. So yun, ito lang ang masasabi ko sa winner. Sana magparamdam ka and sana mapanood mo to and hintayin ko yung private message mo sa Facebook o sa Instagram. So okay guys, let's keep watching kung sino ang mananalo. Okay, we're just gonna do the winner guys. Tammy will pick the winner. Okay, honey, pick the winner, hon.
Really?
Okay. Okay. One? Okay, open it.
Yeah, you're supposed to be one, right?
Yeah, read it.
Lalai Nova.
Lalai Nova is the winner. And yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations. Sorry to everyone who's still left in the bucket.
Yes. I hope Lalai Nova will respond because the first one doesn't respond. I hope you respond.
Okay.
Thank you, hon.
It's alright.
Okay, okay, good night guys. Tammy will go to bed. Bye! So, okay guys, so yun ang nanalo si Lalai Nova. And sis Lalai Nova, if you're watching, please send me a private message to my Facebook or to my Instagram account if you have Instagram. Sana sis magparamdam ka and thank you so much for watching. Hintayin kita sis Lalai Nova. And also guys, I'm going to do insert shout out. Shout out to Lilian Baruma. She's from Qatar. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Shout out and also shout out to Anne and Kylie's Philippine Adventures. And he want me to shout out to her pregnant wife. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Congratulations. Do shout out to Bella Bautista. Hi sis Bella, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Inday Bet Solas. Hi sis, thank you for watching Inday Bet Solas. And shout out kay Josephine Laida. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Sheena Quimbao Kiambao. Oh, Sheena Kiambao. At saka to her boyfriend Daniel in LA. And another shout out, Odran Isaiah Tesoro. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh, belated happy birthday. Oh, I think happy birthday, Glazy from Odra Isaiah Tesoro. Hi. And also hi to Grace Rosales from Cebu. Hi sis Grace, thank you for watching. And so yun guys, so yun lang guys. I-in ko na tong video na to kasi hindi itong first clip na nakita nyo, hindi siya na-end ng proper. I don't end it properly. So anyway guys, I'm gonna end this video and tapos na kaming pumili ng winner at saka tapos na akong nag-shout out. I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving and yeah, the Thanksgiving video will be up next week. Yeah, so look at this guy. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, little man? What are you doing now? My little man, you want to play with mama, yo? Oh my god, a lot of static, guys. Come here. Come here. And may mga counting drama nangyayari sa Thanksgiving. So, yeah. Mga bata guys, katulad mga kaedad, hindi naman mga kaedad, mga mas bata pa sa akin at saka yun, kakaiba talaga no pag mag-vlog ka no at saka yung mga tao hindi sanay, para kang pinagtatawanan ka, diba? Iwan ko ba? So basta yun lang guys. So anyway guys, I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. Really appreciate sa time na binigay ninyo guys, and sa pag-like ng video ko, at saka sa winner, please send me a message. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh my god, static guys. Anyway guys, bye. Good night guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Pasko na naman. Along. I'm so alone. I'm just alone.